Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day today. Phew, what a crazy, crazy stock market. That's what we're going to talk about today. One stock, MSGM, monster pick in the MOJO room this morning, trading through 7. It went to 9. I thought that was big. Sold there. Went to 10 and 11. Didn't want to chase it. When it went to 14, I'm like, everyone said wow in the MOJO room. And when they said wow, I'm like, why'd you do that? Because that's a trade play. When you say wow after selling something, I've journaled it. 100 out of 100 times they've gone higher. It went 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, $27. OMG is right. And then there was another one, MGAM, that ripped and did a similar thing. I'll show you those. I'll show you the January review of what we did. This is the longest ass trading month. Now your dogs are going to bark. So if your dogs are barking in your house, it's because of my dogs. So I'm going to, the longest ass trading month in the history of everything and the best trading month in the history of everything. So yeah, with all that said, let's go to my main screen and I'll share my screen with you and I'll show you some great things. Boom. So right here, we don't need the level 2 today. I think we're just going to be a chart kind of day. I can keep the level 2 up, but I'll move the chart right here to be a little bit bigger. And I'll move this down just a little bit so we could see what the stock did in that level 2 and where they closed. And this is the gainers list. You have MSGM and MGAM right there. I'll remove that also. This is the Dosh Trader, best platform ever. Love the Dosh Trader. All right, so I have this all set up right here. Actually, let's move this down to like here. And then I can have the chart on the whole screen. Right here like this. We can do some charts. And here's the time and the date. So this is MSGN, and we'll go to the 15-minute chart. Whew, big moves today. Big moves today. So as soon as it broke here, which was the top of this line and this bar right here, this Marubuzu green bar right there, was 858. I did ride it, but actually I rode it up into this bar, 978. After I sold it, it went to 1636. And then from that bar, it went a low of $14.40 to $27.60. Amazing move. What I was in this morning was this contest with Dosh Trader called the Best Trader Contest. I'm Trader 1062. I'm in 3rd place. And if you click on me, you could see the trades that I did. I had MSGN, 1,000 at 750, bought more at 770. I sold, where did I sell? Where's my sells? Up here. MSGN selling 810 right there. See, 810, 810, 798. Then I bought it back at 722. It fell from 798. Even more at 697. And then sold that up at 704. And then I started trading Tesla, buying and selling that throughout the day. And then GMVD and MGAN, I had that at $1.90. Wow. I bailed out of that one. MGM went huge after that, but I made today 106.2. I made $4,526 in gains. Total 2-day total of 7,853. It's the best trader, empowering traders. The first 3 prizers will join the winner's circle for the red carpet for a day at the NASDAQ and Times Square to watch the live bell ringing and receive a keepsake photo at NASDAQ's Times Square Tower. Yes, sir. Mojo will be there with the Mojo hat representing, baby. That's a badass wow play, right, Mikey D? Crazy, right? I know. It was a good wow play. That's my wow play. If you come to the Mojo Day Trade room right here, let me pull on over the room. I'll show you the wow play. You go into the search bar, just search wow and click. Look, he said wow. You said wow. 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 So yeah, amazing. I have like 14 pages of wows. Wow, 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 wow. They keep on going. You said wow, they keep on going. Right here. He says it right here, the wow trade in this testimonial. Amazing. I want to see my if I could find my my slide on it. I have a slide on it. Let's go to the next. 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 A lot of wow plays in the Mojo room. It really works. But I don't have my slide on it. I have like a little board that says, when you say wow, time to rebuy. So these stocks just made a big move. Look at this stock, what it just did. MGAM went to 2.9. Could have made $1 on that. Another $2,000, dude. Look at that thing. Went from 2, shot up to $3. MGAM. This one at $1.02 started going by in the after hours. Look at that first bar right over $1 right there. You see it? Look what this one did. You said, oh my gosh, look at 105. You said, wow, it went to 134. You made 40%. And it's trading 1 million shares. So you bought 1,000 shares. You made money there. That was crazy. And yeah, that's what crazy moves right there, dude. What a great Monday. That was yesterday. WISA is one of my swing picks, was up $3.95 right there. WISA. He said, wow, look, a lot of wows today, right? Oh my gosh. This is how I finished up today, very early trading with $1,000 on my first account. Then I switched to my next account, made another 1,000, which is between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts on Apex, done for the day there. Then I switched to another account, done for the day there. And then I started my contest right there. Yes, sir. I was in first place this morning. Then these guys went nuts on the contest. And we did just really, 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 really good. This one guy right here, he shorted MSGM at $7, 14,000 shares. He was in first place, and I was monitoring him. I wanted to make sure that they would follow and do this trade. He was in first place, free bear. See him right here. He was up $7,000. He trumped me right there at 106.2 in the contest. He's at 10,000. I'm like, oh my gosh. And then it went 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20. He lost 57,000. He lost 98,000. He went over. It was unbelievable how much that freaking guy lost, dude. I was monitoring that shit. Crazy, right? And this another guy who was up 10 grand. One guy was up like 20 grand. This was MSGN. He sold at 1240. This one guy. Nice, Josh, done for the day. 1,200 done for the day. This is when it was at 17. Look, it's high. It halted, and then OG said, "Wow," and he made over $5,000 today. And then I said, "Dude, you said wow." Lunchtime. Then it went to 22. It halted again, right there. Then it halted at 27. I had 5,000 shares at 7. I would have made $100,000. Can you believe that, dude? Oh my gosh, dude. OMG, right? You got 100 grand, dude, with 5,000 shares. Dude, I had 5,000 shares at 7. It's at 27. It's 100 grand. I made like whatever. I made 7 on the ground. It's unbelievable. Oh my gosh. I did backflips, right? And I'm in the contest. I'm winning. I'm going to go to the New York Stock Exchange. And dude, but I could have had 100. If I imagine my computer went off and I couldn't log back in, and I logged back in, it was 27. I was up 100 grand. Ho! That's how we go. Be like this. Nuts, right? Crazy, man. Look at that thing. $27, dude. You want to see my swing trading pit? Look at this, dude. Boxel. 12-11 swing pick finally worked from 33 cents. Look, today, 48. Up 17%, going to 50. Boxel, BOXL is the symbol on that. BOXL. Here's the chart. It went to 51 today, hit target. 50, it was 51's target and 55's target. Didn't hit 55 yet, but look at the move today. Shing! Thank you. Yes, indeed. That's the daily chart. Beautiful daily chart on that one. Let's look at the next one above that. These are all my swing picks today. Did really good. OBLG, GNS, ARDX, soon. They're all right here. That's the newsletter for January 29th. Right there. Beautiful. This is a BSFC, 37 cents on January 29th, 2 days ago. Swing pick at 37 cents, 2 quarters right there of great earnings, 114% increase in the March quarter, and in the June quarter, 39%. 25 million in the float, 2% owned by funds, going from losing 23 cents to losing 5. It's a 4x gain, 400% increase with 1,855% increase in volume coming in at 37 cents. Boom. 52 cents, up 41% on January 30th. Yes, I did. Thank you. There's another one. WISA pre-split at 13. WISA pre-split. Yeah, I had that one too. Here's OP. Short squeezer at 94. FFIE at 61. ARVL at 46. Avaya at 22. These are all the picks from that newsletter. And WISA at 14 cents pre-split. That's how Mojo rolls. We need another computer screen because the markets be dumping hard on that comic strip. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So let me show you right here the review for the month. If you're a member of the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, you get access to this draw. You can have access to it anyway. I only put the picks up after. So you can see what we have. But you can't get the picks when I get them. And I have a special. It says it on here, $49. Look. Since 2012, the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter has focused on Ken Slim small growth stocks. See? Every Sunday night by 10 p.m., you'll get a PDF newsletter with my top picks for the week ahead. Also included is a weekly watch list which consists of my picks that are in play. You can get a $100 off right here, guys. By using this code, I'll put it in the YouTube right there. You guys can check that out and go bang up on that. while I go over the results that you wish you had. Dow's up 368 today, high 34,095, low 33,664. Boom, boom. You got the highs, the lows. You have Bitcoin at 22.9 and ETH at 15.75. Anybody wants a copy of this for themselves, I'll give you a copy of it too. Just send me a request and a blank spreadsheet, and I'll copy all the formulas in for you. If I want to do a trigger, I put it in there for a 3% trigger. These are the open trades. Black box stocks made a move today to 71%. It just got sold. BLBX held it since October. Went to 98 and 78. So BLBX, congratulations, guys, to close out the month. And this is the longest January ever. So this was on the 30th. Last sells were on the 27th. And this one went to what, 95? I think it was 85. It's 102% gain right there in 111 days. We puts it at 39 out of 39 picks. Average gain 92%. Average hold will go up 33 days. Black box stocks since October. So two of them finally made the run. This one for 89 days. This one DGLY 131 days. Bye-bye. This one's up 14%. This one's up. I have to figure out the split mechanisms. LIDR is down 7, held it for a long time. These last two are the last two. LIDR. PRSO is up 6. Kang is up 2. Boxel sold. Right here. Below. So Boxel is gone also. See ya, Boxel. Goes higher, big deal. Big deal. 54%, 50 days, 40 out of 40, 100%. This is 80. I'll just leave it like that because I'm probably going to be booking another one. So that's Boxlight gone. Red, 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 red. All these are red. Boom. This one's up 10% ONCR. Too bad it's not that QNCR. That one's up huge right now in the after hours. This one's down 10% LYT. Very heavy interest on the short interest. Research Solutions is up 11%, doing nice. UUU up 2, Arrival, and this one's up 2. It's already been higher. Closed swing trades for the month. LHDX on the 3rd closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Beautiful. 368, 42, 32%, 37%, 41%, and 15% and 40%. ATNF, Shrax, EOS Energy, Nova Bay, and Lacrea Health. Yes, indeed. And then the next sells were on the 4th, then the 6th, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 12th. This one was 275 on SWVL Holdings. GNS was the big one from 47 to 505. It's been to over 6 or 7 already, up 974% on that pick. Hellbiz up 205. 31, 29, 160, 120, 95%, 47%, 42%, Revelation Bio, Guard Force, Vivi Power, just the most amazing picks. 40 out of 40 this month for 92%. This is January of 2023. Let's scroll back for 7 years. January of 2022. Let's go January of 21. Same thing. Avenger 70, 95. I did 31 out of 31 for 100%. Average gain 25.94. Average hold 42. Average hold 42 days. Let's go back to January of 2020. I was 69 out of 62 for 90%. Average gain 66%. I hit 500% on Trill from 75 to 450. I hit CLSD from 80 to 305 for 280. I hit Savara at 76 to 345. And I hit another big one right here, AEMD from 90 to 305, 238. Sava from $1.48 to $11.05, 646%. Let's go to January of 2019. 6 out of 6 for 100%, 35% average, 23 days. 100% on INPX, 55% on IFMK, iFresh. Let's go to January 2018. 29 out of 27 for 93% accuracy, 102 average percent gain for the month. Staff went up 481% that from in 55 days from 74 to 430. It went from 330 to 430, showing you half close, three-quarter close, close. No one can do it better. 250. Here's 400% on Photronics from 008 to 03 to 04 to 05 for 500% gain on that runner. Now I just combine them. Let's go January of 2017. 45 out of 45 picks, 100% accuracy, average gain 11%, average hold 6 days. Myos Ren right there. Myos, Dry Ships, Real Good Solar, 26%, 39%, 36%. Booking, giving what the market, taking what the market gives us. Let's look at January of 2016. Nobody has a better track record than this, guys. And these are all, every newsletter's in the archive. You could check every newsletter. This month, 60 picks, 59 right, called out and scaled at 98%. Average gain 14.23. Average hold 13 days. We had a 45%er on NXTD. We have a 43%er right there on UWTI. Beauty. Let's go to January of 2015. 88 picks, 86 right, 98% average gain, 10.39 average hold, 7 days. Let's go to January of 2014. 61 trades, 57 right, 93% average gain, 18%. Let's go to January of 2013. So far, every month for the month of January, I've been super positive. 16.81%, 20 picks, 17 correct. And that's when I started the newsletter, guys. So those are the results. And January is a long-ass month, but always a good month. Yes, indeed. So if you want to go to MOJO Day Trading right here, and you can go to the newsletter right here. You want to see some happy customers, go to testimonials right up at the top. And you could see what some of the traders have done. And I have 150 testimonials really written that you should check out, 50 pages of them that people have taken their time to really write me. Because my system works and they've made money, obviously, right? So newsletters, learn more. You can sign me up right here. This is how the newsletter works. These are the Ken Slim picks, and you can see the full results right here as I've shown you. And yeah, sign up. Boom, click sign up. You'll be taken to this page for a monthly subscription of $149. And yeah, it's $149. But I gave you the link in there. RNAZ went up huge, John, in the after hours. Didn't you see me? I made 46%, dude. I called it out. And I sent it out on my Twitter, bro. Who you seeing? You coming late to the tube, bro. You late to the show, my man. Look. RNAZ, bro, $1.05. See? Here we go. Copy. I'll throw it out to you right there, Johnny. You got to follow me close and join the Mojo. You trade along with me. You don't miss these winners, man. You make these winners. You don't miss these winners. You make these winners. See, Dixie balling. She's got Ballingtons, bro. I call her. She called it baby popping on MSGM. She called that baby popping right here at 575. I call her Dixie Ballington now. Sick picks, man. Got some big. Dude, she's got the spot on that. She's up early, she said. She got some spot too. Check out that spot stock. Yes, sir. So yeah, man. Whoo, what a day in the market. People got their ass squeezed. Look what happened to the SPY. Look what happened to the SPY. SPY. Look at this in the 5-minute. So you're like, OMG right here, look. So all you guys on technical crap, let me show you how wrong you are following these technicals. So you got this baby like hadn't made this move yet. So there's the support right there. So you like, check this out, and then you like, there's another zone down there, zone of death. We'll call that the death zone. Okay, so you like, right now like this. So you're going like this. You're like, oh, I'm so bullish, man. Oh, I love the bull. I love the bull. I'm a bull. Oh, and then you got this like top right here. So you're like turning into a bear and you're like, oh, I'm so spot on. And I'm going to short into this rise. And oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. And actually, if you covered down at this line, you did really good on that short. Okay, but then you shorted it here, you shorted it here, you shorted it here, and you shorted it here, and you got squeezed out so bad right there, and it closed Marabozu. M-A-R-A-B-O-Z-U. That means it closed with no wick. The buying was immense. Then you got a little bit of selling wick there, and then boom, right to a new high right there. And people like lost their account. So right here, you're like possibly like at the teeter, and right there, they took your stock right here, and you lost it all. And it came actually right back down to here, which would have kept you back in the game and you praying and praying. But then it went up again, and it took you right here at the tippy top, and then it slammed down and screwed and spit in your face again. The stock market did. This is what's called brutal. That's brutal, dude. That's brutal. So go ahead and go throw some technicals on that action. The only technical that actually looked pretty good is this move right here. Let me throw in my stochasticals. So right here, you have a chair lift. As soon as it came over the 20% on the stochastics, you were long on your third buy. Okay? So you bought this dip. 1, 2, and on this bar is your biggest buy. That's what I teach. Okay? Because I buy low, I sell high. My problem is I don't catch the top, and I don't usually catch the bottom, but I come pretty close in between. So now this is going to chair lift up. I'm in, and it's rising. Those bars right there represent this one, and the rise above this yellow line, which is 80%. That's 80% on the stochastics. is this bar. Now I'm selling half just because that's what I do. So now I got rid of this, and I'm holding the biggest piece. Okay? Reduced my cost basis to, I can just walk away. So what happens is it rises up above this line, 80% right here. So you've ever been skiing before on a chairlift? That chair lifted up right there. You see everyone's on the chairlift. You're skiing off right here and you rose up to the top. That's 100%. This line can't get any bigger than that. That's 100%. So you're still in. It comes down, didn't cross the line. You could have sold one or two into that, but you're still in, and then it rises back up, and then it goes to the right, and then it comes down, and it bounces off the line again, and it finally crosses for a sale right here, which is that bar. That's how you use the stochastics, the slow stochastics, these line in between these two lines to help you stay in the stock longer. It did it here. Chair lifted up. You're only in it for a little time. This one, you're only in it for a little time. Sometimes it stays in extended. You could switch from the 5-minute to the 15-minute. See this long extended run? It only dropped through this one time. Actually, twice it did. But yeah, that's what you do. And it works on the daily too. Help you stay in a little bit longer as it stays above this whole line. That was the sell right here. This was the sell right here. This was the sell right here. This was a really long one. This is the sell right here. Yeah. So let's check out what some of the swings are doing. The biggest gainers today were GNS right here. Let me link this to this. So GNS, I'll just type them in. Look at the dailies. It was picked at 47 cents right here, and it went to 7.27. IMRN, IMRN. Here we go. IMRN was picked cheap. IMRN went up. IMRN was a while ago. It went up to 285. We sold up into these bars. Haven't been in it since. IPDN at $1.90 right here. See IPDN right here at $1.90 range, right around here. It is now 505. Mojo swing pick. IPDN. You want to see the pick? Look at my Twitter and go into the top feed right here and show the thread. IPDN right here at $1. Not $1.90. I thought it was $1.90. It was $1. Good for the Moj, right?
Knock. Who's there? Dude, you just nailed it.
I don't know if you're holding MGAM overnight. What price should you sell it? Good question. Better hope it opens up in the morning and even trades and you can get your money out of it. Could you imagine if that happened and you weren't able to get no money out of it? You bought 1,000 shares and it was a scam. That's why it went up so much. And you're overnight, you're in bed sleeping saying, oh my gosh, what am I going to do if they don't open the stock up and I lose all? And it was a scam. And I'm going to lose all of my money. It'll never open. What if it opens up at 30 cents? Oh my gosh. Right? You'd be like,
I apologize. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
You know, that would be like pretty crazy. That's what they do.
Damn, chicka bow wow. Damn, chicka bow wow. Damn, chicka bow wow.
So yeah, there's IPDN right there. Beautiful, right? So let me show IPDN on an updated move just for my followers, bro, because if I'm going to show you all, I'm going to be here live. This is January 1st. Look at this extended move right here on the rail grind. Look how long we're in from here. Still in, see? To up here. See? From $1. Mojo bought right here at $1. This was the buy. And it's still going. Okay, this is rail grind. RAILGRIND. If you take my course, you're in my newsletter, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to post it. Gotta post it in my chat room. So that's IPDN. So right here, let me go back to Twitter. I'm going to repost that shizzle rizzle man chisel on here. It was the first one, IPDN. IPDN, new 52-week high in rail grind, above 80% stochastics on daily chart. Boom, 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 boom. How high can she go? So this is rocket ship. How high can it go? Huh? How high? How high? How high? Picked at $1. Now at $5. That's what I say. That's what I say. That's what I say. Ready? 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 Tweet. Boom. IPDN. Hoo-hoo. So that's IPDN. Man, that was good. Here's ATNF. 339. ATNF went up pretty big. We'll get to that one. IPDN is 505. ARDX picked it down here. Really it went up to 343 on ARDX. GROM went up high for us. It went to 377. It's back at 2. This is a new one. RSS is working right now. It's a brand new pick. RS. Here's RSS. Right here is $1.97. So this one's working well. See this one? RS. So let's go into here and we'll make a new tweet for RSSSS. So this one right here is on the January 31st, no, the January 22nd newsletter. I want to copy the verbiage. Here it is. Right here. RSSS. Love computers, man. Remember when we used to have typewriters, guys, huh? Gotta shorten it up a little bit so I can fit the whole thing in there. There you go. $1.97, right? Beautiful. RSSSS. Where is it now? 221. I can do this whole thing. Boom. Putting that in the chat room right here. I can reply to this message. Yep. Doing well on RSSS. I know a couple people have it in the chat room. You come up here and you do a search for RSSS on my watch list, but I decided to go with RSSS. See, you go. Doing well. So he'll get that message right now. See that? That's RSSS 221. Boom. RSSSSS up 40%. Is it up 40? From $1.97 to what was that, 221? It's up 5.2. That's it. But what from the pick? It's on its way. I'll just write doing well. I'll just write doing well. I don't write anything. Let's do it like that. Pick's going, baby. Boom. RSSSSSSSSSS. See this? I can undo that tweet. Can you do that? Look, undo it. Send it again. I have 30 seconds to edit or undo that tweet. And then when I send it, I have 30 minutes to edit it if I want. Do you have that capability? If you had 65,000 followers, you would. You want to join the Swing newsletter on my Twitter right here? Click this. You'll come right here. You'll see the full results right here by clicking click here. You should. Got to fix that link. I got to update this, but here you join right now. Boom. $100 off, guys. See? 49 bucks. Go ahead and get that out. Get that going. Right there. Not 149, it's 49. Yes, sir. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome.
Go get it. 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 Reeds did a split. Schrax is 210, basing out. Schrax looks like it's going higher. Power Fleet looks like it's going higher for a breakout above 297, 297, 297. Power Fleet looks like it's freaking gonna go, and it's going up into rail grind right now. PWFL, look, going up into rail grind right now. Gonna do a break above here. Gonna go, and it's a Marabuzu bar. Volume comes into this thing. Forget about it. It's gonna rip. Just like that. Looking good. PWFL, looking good. Power Fleet. Should I post that on my thing too? Why not, dude? Let's go right here. Power Fleet right there. When did I pick Power Fleet? Let's take a look. PWFL is 10/16 newsletter? No way. That's a long time ago. Right here, 10/16 newsletter. That's right here. Oh, it's Halloween. Look, happy Halloween. Halloween. Gim Bull worked, Reed worked, Zevo worked, SYTA worked. That one worked. This one worked. This one worked. That one worked huge. PRQR. Huge. Agathy worked huge. Mimo worked huge. Emira in Pixion right there. Lays. Can you believe how good these picks are? Nature's Bounty. No Bay Pharmaceuticals. I mean, that worked too. How come Powerfleet's not in here? Oh, there it is. PWFL 297. It's finally moving. Put it in the swing trading pit. So this one's gonna be a winner. I'll just put it on my thing and save it as a winner. I'm have a good luck action. Oh, I wanted to open that back up so I can copy that. What was that? 1016 newsletter? PWFL. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Phew, that was a long one, man. I wrote a lot about that. Damn. So this one, PWFL, is in the security safety industry. There's a pick on 1016 at 297, looking for the $3 Heinz. Done. Dude, they're going from a loss of 52 to a gain of 1 to 18. It's a 5,000% growth. Holy shit. OMG. I won't say holy shit. They'll probably, Twitter hates me enough already. Twink. Working. It's working. Tweet. Tweet. Yeah. So we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. ERYP, new high. Another one for the swing. ERYP was picked down here 30 cents. It's up 300%. New high, ERYP. ERYP, new 52-week high. Went to 95 cents. ERYP. Let's find it in my thread. FFIE went from 61 cents to 90. Thank you. There's Gimbal. You and Gimbal, boom. 8 to 24, 300%. Avaya, boom, 25% that day. This one was only up 30, went higher. This is AGLS, boom. Where's the RYP? Meds, FIO, Sound, dude. Sound's at $2 and change now. SOUN. Look, I like SOUN. Went to 250 today. New high, 250 on SOUN today. Right here, new high. SOUN new 52-week high today. 250. Thank you at $1.77. Where's ERYP? Grom. Grom's 220, $1.30. Grommer. Here's IPW at 77. Here's IPW at 91, up 26%, went higher. Here's WISA at 14 cents. Here's WISA at $13.15. ATNF. Where's ERYP? Avaya, Sound, ONCR, GNS. GNS was picked at 47 cents. Right here, it was moving through 50 cents. It went to $5. There's Wriggle, GNS, 69 cents. IPW, 90% winner, sold at $1.05. Hexo, GNS, right there, sold at $2.05. Boom. Grommer, GNS, sold at $5.30, up 154%. The RYP is not coming up on there. The thread's too long. But yeah, kicking freaking ass, guys, in the Mojo swing. And that's what I do. So that's how I do it. And I want to thank you for sharing so I can chop this video up into a lot of damn segments and create some good content, because, dude, if you hit picks like that, you can create content like that. I'm just doing what I do. I've been doing that, as you could see, for 12 years. It's the research. It's the system. It is the research and the system. And if you want to see, that's what you'll do. So guys, thank you for watching the review of the greatest month in January, the longest ass month I've ever seen. And yeah, so when I go live, subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and a notify bell, so when I go live, you get notified. Give me a subscribe. Yes, sir. Let's Oh, before I do that, guys, peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you on the next show. Later.